Well, you know, one of the things that people always kind of think about is if you're using transfer paper, you know, which is what I've got underneath here, which is that, is it cheating? Well, no. In my eyes, it's not. It's entirely your choice the way you look at this, but in my eyes, it's not. I use it as a means of getting the outline on the paper as quick as possible so I can spend a lot of time doing the actual painting process itself, which is what I really, really enjoy doing. I'm not saying it's the only way to do it. You can do whatever method you prefer to do. It's entirely your choice. I think freehand drawing as well is very important. You must always do freehand drawing because it really sharpens your observation skills and ability to be able to use a pencil, be it a mechanical pencil like this or the general kind of different graded leads. But as I say, if you just want to get the outline on the paper just so you can make a start, such as, let's see if we can get this one out there for you, yeah, such as that, then you're in a position to do so just by using a little bit of trace down paper or graphite backed paper. Much easier. So there you go, that's what I mean by that. So if you want to have a go at freehand, do it freehand. Have a look on here for different methods which are provided, and there's quite a few different ways of getting the outline on a paper, be it freehand, be it using the grid system, or be it using trace down paper. And they're the ones which I'd recommend, those three different things. But say, if you get a chance to practice just doing it freehand, then please do. Alright, so it's entirely your choice really, whether you prefer to use graphite paper, and let me know what you think, because I'd be quite interested to find out really whether you'd prefer to trace it down with graphite paper or by freehand drawing. Alright, so see you in a bit. Hi there, well thank you for watching one of my little videos, and if you want to see anything else I've got more on here as well, but also if you have a look at my Patreon channel just there, look, okay, that's the one, yeah, got it? I'm showing people how to paint step by step using watercolour. So this is using all the finest of details for wildlife in general. So if you want to learn how to paint wildlife in watercolour, then come along and join me on Patreon. So thank you for coming along, and above all, get painting. Bye bye for now.